Hi, welcome to my channel. Do you know what is your financial freedom number? If you do not, then stay in the end to find out why this is a very important number that you want to know. And you will be surprised that it may not take you 40 years to achieve your financial freedom. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This channel is about investing in cash flow real estate, achieve your financial independence, and making an impact. My name is Korianne, and I am a real estate investor since 2001. I achieved my financial independence when I was 35 years old after consistently investing in cash flow properties over 8 years. First of all, what is financial freedom number? A financial freedom number is your total amount of your monthly expenses. The reason it is called financial freedom number is that when you have a monthly passive income that is at least this amount, you will be financially free. That is, you don't have to work anymore, and your passive income will take care of all of your monthly expenses. How cool is that? So what is your financial freedom number? To be honest, I did not know my freedom number until I got my first corporate job. I got to put away 5% of pre-tax money into my 401k plan, and then my employer matched 50% of that amount. I worked at different art jobs during college, but never knew about 401k until my first corporate job after college. Through life experiences, we discover new opportunities. I grew up in a culture that believed in saving money and buying things with cash. I thought that's the only way to retire is to save money until I can accumulate enough money for retirement. I did not know that I can invest money and grow my money. After I filled out the 401k paperwork, I came home to share this new exciting news with my older sister. Both of us were so happy that I could earn 50% of my 401k money from the company match program. That's amazing. The company that I work for did that. My life became even more interesting. Not only did I get 4 times X higher pay with my professional job compared to more than 3 art jobs combined when I was still in college, but I also learned a new thing that I could put away free tax money to grow for my investment savings. You know what happened after I discovered this new opportunity? I started to learn about investing in the stock market in my spare time. It was when I discovered that I could retire even sooner by not just saving, but by growing my money by investing. In this case, both within my 401k as well as with my after-tax saving accounts, I can be done with working by the time I reach 40 years old with an 8 to 10% annual increase of my savings. You may wonder how I figure out, right? Here was the processes that you can use to figure out your financial freedom number. Number 1 is track the monthly expenses religiously. Here was my expenses breakdown when I was single. The monthly rent is about $850, rental insurance about $15, food $300, utilities about $100, car insurance about $40, home phone is about $20, health memberships about $15, and the gas is $30. I also put away about discretionary expenses for eating out or entertainment is about $200. So my total monthly expenses is about $1,570. You can use this similar spreadsheet to track your monthly expenses for a few months to establish your running rate, or use the free tool from the Personal Capital. At some months, you may have some emergency expenses like a car breakdown or one of your home electric item breaking down that need to be fixed or replaced. Your expenses may be much lower when you are single compared to when you have a family of 3 or 4. A family of 4 may be 4x or 5x higher. Again, you may want to start tracking your expenses over a few months if you haven't already. And number 2 is know how much saving can put away each month. My take-home income at my first corporate job was about $3,200 per month after subtracting all of the taxes. Each month, I could save away about $1,630 per month. I was grateful that I did not have any student loans, so my monthly expenses are only for my essential needs. I did not have credit card payments or student loans payments, so I was able to save a lot more. As you go through this financial planning, make sure to track your income, expenses, and saving as closely as you can so that you can calculate your financial freedom number. I even went into detail about when I do not work at a job. I also need money for my health insurance. Therefore, I added another $300 per month for my health insurance. Then my financial freedom number total would be about $1,870 by adding the essential expenses plus my health insurance. So it's come out $1,870 per month. Now I have all the accurate financial data for me to make financial plan to achieve financial independence before I turn 40 years old. Number 3 is stay on course and be consistent. Remember, I could save $1,630 per month after pay all for my essential expenses. Then I divide this $1,630 into 2 different accounts. One account for my long-term investment account and one account is for my emergency fund money. I put $1,100 in the long-term swap investment account and the rest of the $530 into my emergency fund account. The emergency fund is used for any emergency expenses and the small vacation fund when the account accumulates. On top of that, I also had a 401k account with my employer. I put away my pre-tax money in the amount of $242 per month. With the 50% company matching, it's about another $121 per month. So my total 401k saving was about $363 per month. Now let's sum up what my monthly long-term investment account looked like. That includes my 401ks plus my deposit into my swap investment account, $363 in 401k plus $1,100 in my swap account, and that worked out to be a total of $1,463. I invested in some fund that had an average return of 8%. I invested about $1,463 per month, consistently earning 8% compound interest, and my account will be growing about $481,000 in 15 years. I have not factored that I can increase my saving rate when my salary increases yearly during that 15 years. I just want to keep the math simple to understand and keep in mind the more I increase my saving rate, the sooner I can reach financial independent years. By the time I turn 40, I can choose to work if I want to because when my account reaches $481,000 with an 8% rate of return, I will earn about $38,000 per year. After paying for taxes, that will end up at around $30,000 per year or $2,500 per month. Remember, my financial freedom number is about $1,870 per month. Of course, you want to factor in the likely inflation rate, etc. But you can get an idea. When you can generate a passive income that is higher than your financial freedom number, whether you work or not, it is your choice. First, you should go through this exercise, and you may be surprised that you may have already reached your financial independence after doing this exercise. Track your expense. This is your financial freedom number. Number 2 is know how much you can put away to invest. Learn to be smart spender. Number 3 is learn one financial tool that you can put your money to work harder for you. And second, after knowing your financial data in detail, creating your financial plan is fun and simple. Some of you may have achieved your financial independence already. Cha-ching! And some of you might still not know where to start. Then going through this exercise will help you see that your financial goal can totally be obtainable. And it keeps you motivated and focused on your journey to become financially free. I hope you enjoy what I have shared and learn some insight that you can use and apply in your financial planning. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like it and think it can help others, then please share this video. Share with me in the comment below if you already know your financial freedom number and what financial tool do you use to get you there. Is there anything else you want to share with us that we can all learn from? Thank you so much for watching. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!